Dear students, good morning. I hope that all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Mohammad Mosharraf Hussain, lecturer in English, Salandar Degree College, Thakurgaon. I welcome all of the students of degree third year in compulsory English online class. Today we will discuss framing WH question. You know that there are three types of questions in English language: yes no questions, WH question and tag question. WH question, the question which is started by a WH word is called WH questions. First we will try to know what is WH. Look at the whiteboard. WH equal to who, which, what, when, where, whom, whose, why, how. These words are called briefly WH. And the Bangla meaning of who is কে, which, কোনটি, কোনগুলো, what কি, when কখন, where কোথায়, whom কাকে, whose কার, why কেন, how কিভাবে, কত. Now we will see the structure of WH question. First, you have to use the WH word, then an auxiliary verb, then a subject, then a principal verb, then extension, and at last you have to use a note of interrogation. For example, where did you go yesterday? Where is the WH word, did is an auxiliary verb, you is subject, and go is principal verb, and yesterday is extension. So you have to remember the structure of WH question. First, WH word. When you will make a WH question, you have to write first a WH word, then an auxiliary verb, then subject, then principal verb, then extension, and that note of interrogation. Dear students, when you will make a WH question from a statement, you have to follow the statement carefully. For example, Belal went to Dhaka. This is an assertive sentence, and you have to make or you have to frame a WH question from this statement. So, first you have to identify the finite verb or finite verb. This is the finite verb. Then you have to follow what is written after the finite verb. In this sentence, we find Dhaka. Dhaka refers to a place. So when you will make a WH question, you have to write, for place you have to write where. plus, then you have to use an auxiliary verb, as this is the past tense, past form of verb, so you have to use did, plus subject, and in this sentence we find the subject Belal. You have to write Belal. Then you have to write the principal verb. What is the principal verb in this sentence? Went. The present form of went is go, so you have to write go. Then where did Belal go? Then you have to put a note of interrogation. And you have to omit the place, Dhaka. Dhaka is the answer, so you have to omit the Dhaka when you will make a WH question. You should carefully remember the finite verb, and after the finite verb, what types of word is written. You have to remember it. And after the finite verb, the answer is generally given. Now, look at the whiteboard. When refers to time. Time, for example, today, yesterday, next day, next year, next week. This is such kinds of words are time. He played football yesterday. This is the statement, and we will make a WH question from this statement. In this sentence, finite verb is played, and we see a time yesterday. So, what will be the WH question? As time is given in this sentence, we will use when. When did subject he play football? When did he play football? Next, where. Where refers to a place. For example, in the field, in the class, in Dhaka, Thakurgaon, etc. She lives in Thakurgaon. So what will, in this sentence we find the finite verb lives, and after the finite verb a place is found, Thakurgaon. So we will use where. Where does she live? Where does she live? This is the WH question of she lives in Thakurgaon. Next, Why? Why refers to reason. Reason, Bangla meaning is karon. In this case, we find because, as, since, on account of, owing to, etc. in the sentence. He comes here to learn English. In this sentence, the finite verb is comes, and after the finite verb, we find to learn. To learn, Bangla meaning of to learn is শিখতে or শেখার জন্য. This is the reason. So, what should we use at first? Why? Why does he come here? In this sentence, answer is to learn English. So, you have to omit to learn English in WH question. When we will frame a WH question, you have to omit the answer, and the answer is generally found after the finite verb. Remember it. Next, who, person. Persons means ব্যক্তি. Korean writes a letter. And the WH question of this sentence will be who writes a letter. Next, whom. Whom also indicates person, and it is the objective form of who. I saw Belan. And the WH question of this sentence will be whom did you see? Whose means car. This is the possessive form of who. He drives my car. And the WH question of this sentence will be whose car does he drive? Next, why. Reason means karon. I have already told about why. Next, which. Things, জিনিস or object. I want the red pen. The WH question will be, which pen do you want? কোন কলমটি তুমি চাও? How refers manners, time, length, distance, age, and so on. Various uses of how. For example, he reads slowly. What type of word is stated after the finite verb? Slowly, adverb of manner. So, what will be the WH question? How does he read? সে কিভাবে পড়ে? Next example, she is 10 years old. And the WH question will be, how old is she? Next example, Dhaka is 400 kilometers from Thakurgaon. The WH question of this sentence will be, how far is Dhaka from Thakurgaon? So, dear learners, remember the structure of WH question and the uses of WH word when we will use who, which, what, when, where, how, whom, whose. You should remember one thing. If you find I and we, when you will make WH question, you have to change I and you into you. And if you find our you have to change into your when you will make WH question. So remember try to memorize the structure of WH question and the WH word and the Bangla meaning of the WH words which I have given, and I hope you will try to solve the previous questions of the National University of Bangladesh. No more today. Thanks to all of you. Stay home, remain safe. Always try to use masks and try to maintain social distance. Thank you.